Hi everybody. Today I am going to tell you how to find out the domain of a function. First of all, you should know what is the meaning of domain. The meaning of domain is it is the region in which the function is well defined. It is the region in which the function is well defined. That means, see here, this is the total region. That means this is whole world. Clear? In this part, let f be a function. In this region, the function is undefined. In this region also it is undefined. In this region also it is undefined. In this region also it is undefined. And in this region it is undefined. In this region it is undefined. So remove these regions from the world. That means you will get this one and this much. Again this, again this. So remaining part so this is the domain of this function f. It is the practical meaning of domain. It is the area, it is the region in which the function is well defined. What is the domain of myself? What is your domain? Tell me. The minimum domain of me or of you is your home itself. Because in your home you are well defined. Clear? You should find out the region in which you are well defined. Those houses or those people who do not know you, eliminate those peoples. The people who do not know you, eliminate those peoples from the whole world. And the remaining people are your domain because they know you better. You are well defined by themselves. Clear? So you have to find out the region in which the function is well defined. So before that, I have to tell you about the inequality, how to solve inequality. Then only you can find out. Clear? See here. If ax square plus bx plus c, this is the quadratic expression, and it will give two values. For example, alpha, beta. Listen carefully, and let alpha is less than beta. So you should draw a number line. This is minus infinity, this is infinity. If alpha is less than beta, then here it is alpha, here it is beta. Clear? Now, the square of sine of x square, you should determine whether it may be positive, it may be negative. Clear? You should find out the sine of x square. Then let it be positive. Clear? So put positive sign in this case, negative, then positive. If this sign of x square is negative, then put negative, then positive, then negative. Then determine the region according to your requirement. I am giving an example. See here. If your question is like this, x square minus 5x plus 6 is less than 0. And how to solve it? Clear? See here. It is x minus 2, x minus 3. Clear? So draw a number line. This is minus infinity, this is infinity. X minus 2 equal to 0, so x is equal to 2. X minus 3 equal to 0, x is equal to 3. So 2, 3. This is 2, this is 3. Clear? And here, the sign of x square is positive. So put a positive here it is negative, here it is positive. And your question is that for which value of x this expression will be negative. Less than 0 means negative. So negative means in between this. So the answer is x belongs to 2, 3 open interval. This is your answer. Clear? See here, another. If the question is like this, x square minus 5x plus 6 is less than or equal to 0. Same expression. So less than or equal to 0. Less than 0 means these two, in between these two, and equal to 0 means 2, 3. So here x belongs to 2, 3 closed interval. Clear? Again, another question. Same question. X square minus 5x plus 6 is greater than 0. Positive. This one or this one. Either the value will lie in this region or in this region. I am telling or means union. That means x belongs to minus infinity to open interval union 3 infinity. Like this you should write. Here again another question. X square minus 5x plus 6 is greater or equal to 0. That means greater than 0 means these two intervals, and equal to 0 means you should include these 2 points. So x belongs to minus infinity to, this is closed, this is open, union 3 infinity, this is open, this is closed. This is your answer. I have told you 4 cases. Less than, greater than, less or equal to, greater or equal to. Clear? So these are the 4 cases. So you have to know these things. And another property I am going to tell you. See here, very interesting property. Upon modulus, mod x is less than a, where a is positive. So the meaning is x is less than a and greater than minus a. This is the property on modulus, already known to you. Clear? And the second property, mod x is less than or equal to a. That means x is less than or equal to a and greater than or equal to minus a. Clear? And you should remember these things. Okay. Now, my question is that, and our aim is how to find out the domain of a function. First point. Domain of f is equal to a square minus x square root over a square minus x square root over, and it is in the numerator, not in the denominator. And if the function is in the numerator and root over is there, then under root cannot be negative. Under root cannot be negative because the square root of negative is imaginary. It should be real. That means it should be positive or 0. Since it is in the numerator, it can be 0 also. So, f is defined because you have to find out the region in which f is well defined. F is defined for a square minus x square is greater or equal to 0. Clear? Now, what is your number line? Minus infinity to plus infinity, and this quantity equal to 0 means x is equal to plus minus a. A square minus x square equal to 0, that means x is equal to plus minus a. This is minus a, this is plus a. And the sign of x square is negative. So put a negative sign here, here it is positive, here it is negative. And your requirement is greater or equal to 0. Greater than 0 means positive and equal to 0. That means in between minus and plus sign. So here implies and implied by x belongs to minus a closed interval. So this is your answer. The domain of f is this one is minus a closed interval. Here, see here, I am giving an example. How to write directly? Now, domain of 4 minus x square root of 1 is, here a square is equal to 4, so a is equal to 2, so answer is minus 2 closed interval. So this is the answer. Now second example, domain of 9 minus x square root of 1 is minus 3 closed interval. Because in place of a square it is 9, so a is equal to 3. Another example, domain of 1 minus x square, it is minus 1 closed interval. Again, another question I am giving you, domain of 3 minus x square. So in place of a square I have written 3. So a is equal to root 3 is minus root 3 closed interval. So this is your answer. Here, let us find out the domain of 1 by a square minus x square root of 1. So under root is there, so it cannot be negative, and it is in the denominator, so it cannot be 0. Only the possibility is positive under root. There will be 3 cases, either negative or positive or 0. It cannot be 0 since it is in the denominator. Clear? And it cannot be negative because root over is there. So negative of the square root is imaginary. So negative is omitted, 0 is omitted, only positive. That means f is will be fine for a square minus x square is greater than 0. And draw a number line, infinity, this is minus infinity, a square minus x square equal to 0, x is equal to plus minus a. This is minus a, this is plus a, and the sign of x square is negative, so negative, positive, negative. And your requirement is only positive, that means in between minus and plus a. Divided by x belongs to minus a and a open interval. So domain of this one is minus a open interval. So this is your answer. Clear? See here. Our formula is domain of root over of a square minus x square is minus a and a open interval. In place of a, 2 is written. A square is equal to 4, so a is equal to 2. So answer is minus 2 open interval. Clear? Then for this one, here a is 1, a square is 1, then a is also 1. It is minus 1 open interval. This one, a square is 2, so a is equal to root 2. So answer is minus root 2 open interval. Clear? So I have told you 2 formulas today. Square root of a square minus x square, then square root of 1 by square root of a square minus x square. Clear? So what is your formula? First, a square minus x square root of it will be there. Then its domain is minus a closed interval. And if it is in the denominator, the reciprocal of this one will be minus a open interval. Clear?